Alright, so I guess I will do a grocery haul. Why not? I got some strawberry kiwi juice for my smoothies, some milk, some tomatoes. I like getting the whole ones because they're less expensive. Got some vegetable oil, some ice cream and chocolate chip cookie dough because that's my favorite. Some fruit, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. Let's switch those two. Some fish sticks, some eggs, 1 box of mac and cheese. I'm almost out of this, so I just got some more pasta sauce. I got some hazelnutter, it's like Nutella kind of, for just like toast. Some pineapples for my smoothies. Got some pickles, some mushrooms, some ham for some sandwiches, and some cereal. So that is everything I got. I am gonna go home because I am freezing, but yeah, that's my little haul.